Hi guys, today I'm going to take a video and unboxing of this gun, this toy gun. So it's a Squad Mini Uzi gun. A nice gun actually. It comes with a paper here that you look. It doesn't work without this pulled. So well, you got like Mini Uzi, like a little side Uzi just like. This is what it looks like. Internal mag, little piece here, this here, orange piece. Got nice music. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe and comment. And if you do, I really appreciate it. So thank you. And this is another look at the box. So yeah, bye guys.